How does the sentencing phase work in a criminal trial process? Breaking news in the legal world. The sentencing phase is currently capturing attention as many are eager to understand how it shapes the outcomes of criminal trials. Just this week, several high-profile cases have highlighted the importance of this phase. If you are curious about what happens after a guilty verdict, you are in the right place. Let's break down how the sentencing phase works. The sentencing phase occurs after a defendant is found guilty of a crime. This is when the court decides the punishment. Before this phase begins, both the prosecution and the defense prepare their cases. They gather evidence and witness statements that can influence the judge's decision. During this phase, the defense may present mitigating factors. These could include the defendant's background or circumstances that might lessen the severity of the sentence. The sentencing hearing is where both sides present their arguments. The prosecution will emphasize the severity of the crime and any aggravating factors. Meanwhile, the defense will focus on mitigating factors to advocate for a lighter sentence. The judge may also consider pre-sentence reports. These reports provide detailed assessments of the defendant's background and potential for rehabilitation. In many jurisdictions, sentencing is guided by legal standards and guidelines. These can include mandatory minimum sentences for certain crimes. Guidelines suggest a range of appropriate sentences based on the severity of the offense and the defendant's criminal history. Sentences can vary widely. They may include incarceration, probation, fines, or community service. The choice of sentence depends on the nature of the crime and the defendant's history. The goals of punishment can include deterrence, rehabilitation, or retribution. After the sentencing is complete, the defendant may appeal if they believe the sentence was unfair. This involves presenting arguments to a higher court, which can review the case and potentially alter the sentence. The sentencing phase is a crucial moment in the criminal trial process. It determines the consequences for the defendant's actions and aims to balance justice with fairness and rehabilitation. As we see more cases unfold, understanding this phase becomes increasingly important for all of us.